Hello everyone, it is Adam here. The bike is currently naked because I am taking all the crash bars off and installing the alt-rider lowers, the alt-rider skid plate, and I'm powder coating the uppers. So it's a good opportunity while we're here to install the Machine Art Moto X head cylinder head guards. So here's one of them. I assume it's the right side, the correct side, not the right side. Instructions, it appears to come with 2 bolts per side that are for you to use, but you probably reuse the existing ones. So I'm going to look at the instructions and then I will get right back with you guys. Okay, step 1 on the front of the bike, driver's side, is T25 on this front spark plug cover. After that, we're going to do this T50 here on the side. Let's do it. Save this because you're going to need to reuse it later. They were not kidding. When removing this bolt from behind the head here, you need to pull on the metal and the rubber piece and then give it a nice tug and you'll get it out there. They say to reapply oil and then pull the rubber seal off because you're going to use that for the bolts that they gave us with the X head. Okay, so we have the OEM bolt is now free of the washer. We've oiled the X head bolt. They say to go ahead and put this into place first. Just like that. So inside of this, by the way, you've got the outside. Inside is this awesome, like really hard rubber, which is great. So this goes right over here. And then, oh yeah, first I gotta put this bolt through this side here, and then push the washer over here. Okay, now that we've done that, we can go right in, and they say just kind of hand tighten it to get it started. Wow, that's a great, perfect fit. Wow, what a flawless fit, guys. Okay, that's going. Perfect. Now we're going to do the T25, but do not tighten down yet. We're just going to fasten it into the front here. So there's the front of the guard right here. We have our OEM T25. Just get it threaded. Don't tighten it down, they say. There we go. That's great. Okay, and finally, just go back through and tighten down all of the bolts that are included here. And you're done. Let's go to the other side. Alright, for this side, I'm just going to let it play out without me talking so you can see a full bit here. So I won't, I'll speed it up so you can slow it down if you want to. Okay, thanks so much for watching, guys. Beautiful, beautiful installation, beautiful guards. Pricey, but they're proven to do a fantastic job of protecting your cylinder heads. Alright guys, take care.